right here is some more soup you can make for your family. This is going to be corn chowder. So you can use fresh, canned, or frozen, and this is the combination that we like the best. So we have white cream corn, super sweet canned corn, and then some super sweet frozen corn. And next I'm going to be chopping celery and green onions right after opening these and dumping them in. And make sure to wash your vegetables. Very important. Alright, I don't know what it got on my time lapse, but yeah, cut up some green onion and some celery. I'm going to go put it on the stove. Alright, so I'm going to throw these in. So we have salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and bouillon, and I'm going to put a little bit of chopped garlic in it too. And after you get those in, you want to have just enough water to cover everything. I haven't done that part yet. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. All right, so what we're going to do is bring it to a boil and then down to a simmer, and then we do that for a couple hours before we do our next step. I threw in a cup of milk and a cup of instant mashed potatoes. Instant mashed potatoes are a great way to thicken soup and stuff when you can get away with the potato taste in it. So there's that. It smells so good.